In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Adobe Acrobat. First, start by opening Adobe Acrobat. You will see the familiar splash screen as the program loads. Once it opens, you will be greeted by the main interface, which gives you access to all the features you need. The layout is user-friendly with a menu bar at the top and a workspace below. This is where you can view and edit your documents. It is important to ensure you have the latest version of Adobe Acrobat for the best experience. Opening the program is the first step in customizing your interface to make it more comfortable for you. Next, go to the top menu and click on View. This action will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options related to the display of your documents. The View menu is critical because it allows you to adjust how you interact with your files. You will find options for zooming, rotating, and even switching between single-page and continuous scrolling views. Clicking on View sets the stage for the next step in changing your theme. From there, hover over or click Display Theme. You will notice a small submenu appearing, presenting you with different theme choices. This step is essential as it directly leads you to the customization options for your Adobe Acrobat interface. Hovering over Display Theme allows you to preview the themes without selecting them immediately. This gives you an idea of how each theme will look, helping you make the right choice for your preferences. Now choose one of these themes. You will see options like System Theme, Light Gray, and Dark Gray. Selecting System Theme allows Adobe Acrobat to match the theme settings of your operating system, whether you are using Windows or Mac. This is beneficial because it creates a consistent look across all your applications. If you want a brighter interface, you can opt for Light Gray, which is the default light mode. Dark Gray, on the other hand, provides a darker user interface, which can be easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. Once you make your selection, you will notice the interface changes immediately to reflect your choice. This instant feedback is reassuring as it confirms your action. You can now see how the new theme alters the appearance of menus, toolbars, and the workspace itself. This is important because a well-suited theme can enhance your productivity and comfort while using the software. After that, take a moment to explore how your new theme feels. Click through different documents and see how the theme interacts with text and images. It is helpful to ensure that the chosen theme provides sufficient contrast and readability for your work. If you find that you prefer one theme over another, you can always return to the Display Theme option to switch again. This flexibility is a key feature of Adobe Acrobat, allowing you to tailor your experience to your needs. At this point, you have successfully changed the theme in Adobe Acrobat. Always remember that personalizing your workspace can significantly improve your overall user experience. You can easily switch themes based on your mood or lighting conditions. This little step saves you a lot of time later, ensuring you can focus more on your tasks and less on discomfort. With that ready, you can now enjoy a customized Adobe Acrobat experience that suits your preferences. Whether you prefer a light or dark interface, you have the tools to make it your own. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing themes in Adobe Acrobat. I hope it has been helpful.